Good morning, everyone. Once again,
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
good morning. A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes, then we start the class. Be ready with the revision notebook. First, we will do the revision. Topic wise, every day we do first revision and then we start the new topic. Whenever you do the revision, please do it in the revision notebook. Okay, every time, no need to ask. I'm giving a common instruction. Just remember it that when teacher is saying that we are doing revision, it means you need to open the revision notebook, the long one. And if the teacher is saying that we are doing the new concept, means you need to do the new concept in your maths notebook, class of notebook. Got it?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. And I want to remind you all, few of the students have still not have sent me the holiday homework. Please send me. Okay, please send me as soon as possible so that I can also check and revert you back. Those who have not sent, I'm telling to them only, because I think I have received only 7 to 8 students homework, and we are here around 20 to 23 students in a class. So please, I request you, because it was not as a homework, it was just your revision, right? So please, if you have completed, please send me your work so that I can check and revert you back. Attach your work in the math summer holiday homework folder. There is a separate folder created in the maths class. So please attach it in that only. Yes, Mohammed Patel, you want to say something?
Yes, मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मैम वो होमवर्क तो वो लिंक तो ओपन ही नहीं हुई फोन में। अभी
Uh,
हम लोग टैबलेट के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं, कहीं मिल नहीं रहा है।
okay. कौन सा लिंक?
वो जो आप होमवर्क वो सब भेजते हो ना,
तो अभी भी आपसे नहीं खुलता है उसके अंदर
नहीं नहीं
क्लासरूम?
खुल रहा है।
मोहम्मद, देन हाउ यू विल डू मैम? वो तो आपको जल्दी से जल्दी करना होगा.
यस मैम।
ओके, पर जल्दी से जल्दी मैम करिए, नहीं तो बच्चा बहुत सफर करेगा. ओके मैम.
यस मैम।
Okay, Mohammed, mute yourself now. So I can see now students are there in. So I will start. First, I will start with the revision. So please open your revision notebook. I will present my screen. I will show you the worksheet and I will tell you also what to write in the revision notebook. Okay. Show me thumbs up. Are you all ready? Yes. I'm going to present my screen. Yes, yes, Mohammed, this one.
Palette.
Please mute yourself. Is this my screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first of all, open the new page of your revision notebook. Everyone fast. Done? Yes or
Ma'am,
no?
wait, I am writing the index.
Okay. In the index, write revision 1. Then open the new page fast. On new page, please write at the left hand corner today's date, 10th June. Not this one. 10th June. Then at the right hand side corner, write C.W. Then come below the red margin line, write revision 1, chapter number 1, this, and then write number names. Till here, everyone is clear what they need to write and what not to read. Show me thumbs up.
Hello ma'am.
Yes.
Hello Renu ma'am, where we have to write the revision?
There is a red margin line there top.
Yes.
Red or blue, whichever the top margin line,
Yes,
not
yes.
below that.
Okay. Ma'am, downside, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, on the page line, no?
Yes, yes, page line.
Where do we have to write the date?
Where you write the date, dear? You are in grade 4 now. You please should know that where we write the date, where we write the C.W. Left hand side corner, you write the date. Right hand side corner, you write the C.W. And please write chapter number 1, number names. The topic is number names. We are going to do the number names today. We are going to write the number names of the given numbers. So I will call the child name. That child will answer me and we will write the answer meantime here. No one will say may I, may I. Okay. So let me call the child name.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, we have to write questions or only answers?
Everything. Even questions
Okay,
also.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I will please raise your hands if you know the answers after seeing the worksheet. I will call your name and I will ask the answers. I want many of I want most of the students should raise their hands, please. Yes, if you know the number names, please raise your hand so that Meet Prohit. Okay. Meet Prohit, I will show this worksheet.
Yes,
Meet,
ma'am.
Meet, tell me the answer of this first one. How you will read this number and how you will write the number name of this number with the spelling.
4,600.
Yes.
Do we have to write it in the notebook?
Revision notebook. Yes. You have to write this in the revision notebook. This is the revision one. Okay. Meet Prohit. Can you please tell me how you will write the number name of this number? Meet.
4,656.
Say from the beginning again with the spellings. Each number with the
4,000.
4. What is the spelling of 4?
FOUR 4.
Hmm.
THOUSAND 1000.
Hmm.
SIX 6.
Yes.
FIA
6 what? After 6, 5?
50.
56? 4,656?
Ma'am,
How
it's
you will read this number?
4,600.
600. What is the spelling of 100?
656.
What is the spelling of 100?
HUNDRED.
HUNDRED. What is the spelling of
FIF.
hmm?
TY.
Then think that I don't know anything. You need to
FIF.
tell me. Yes. I will stop where you will also stop. I will also stop. I don't know anything. You need to tell me everything. Is the child correct,
Yes.
children? He has given the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next child, I'll call the child name. If the child is present in the class, that child need to answer me. Let me call your name. Is Khush Desai is in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Khush, tell me the second one.
3,600. 36,521.
It is
THR
30.
double E.
THR double E.
Yes, ma'am.
TY. This is 30.
30. Yes, ma'am.
This is the spelling of 30. Please check again.
Yes.
No.
SIX.
THIRTY.
No, ma'am.
This is the spelling.
THIRTY.
Yes, this is the spelling. 36.
SIX.
Hmm.
1000 THOUSAND.
Hmm.
500
Hmm.
FIVE HUNDRED. Two, two,
Two.
two,
It is 2 1.
two. No, ma'am. 20.
Then. So what is this?
TWENTY.
Hmm.
21. ONE.
Hmm. Is he correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And the screen is clearly visible to you all?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Yes, it is ma'am. correct. Ma'am, it is correct.
Okay. We move to the next one. Now, Hit Kasodia will tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. TWENTY 20 FIVE 1000 THOUSAND 1300 THR 3 HUNDRED 100 NINTY 90
NINTY 90?
Yes,
NINETY 90.
90
What is the spelling of 90, Hit?
NINETY
Yes, 90
9
then?
NINE.
Yes. Is he correct? Children, you
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
give me the response. Yes. Please
Yes,
write
ma'am.
it in the notebook fast. As soon as I will complete, I will start the new topic. So please write it fast.
Ma'am, I am on the third one last only.
Fast, please.
Ma'am, we are going to do the new topic. Ma'am, it's 309.
399.
Ma'am, it's 309.
Yeah, so we have written 399 only. Correct? Got it? And Varija and Varinia are they confused. They're still asking what we have to do. Yes, you need to write this first. Are you writing, Varija, this? Yes.
Yes,
Please write after.
Ma'am, I was asking that we are going to do
Ma'am,
the new topic.
your
After
present is
revision,
gone.
wait, Mohammed, wait. I know my present is gone because I am talking to Varija. Yes, Varija, after every day after revision, we will do the new topic.
Okay.
Okay, next will be. Yes.
In my our society, rain was so that I cannot join. I am joining. So we want to what do? I
We are.
won't join. My
Listen,
network.
Arnav Desai, listen. As you were, I think you was absent yesterday, right?
Yes.
Mute yourself.
Said.
Mute yourself. I have already instructed to the students to please bring the revision notebook today in that every day in the class. First 5-10 minutes we will do the revision of the topics which we have already covered. So today we are doing number names. You need to copy down these number names in your notebook, in your revision notebook. After that we will start the new topic. Got it, Arna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please copy it down in your notebook. Now, is Heer Patel is in my class?
Excuse me, ma'am. I am ready.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in the third word, 25,399. My
Yes.
last number didn't fit in the line, so I wrote
Use
it
the
in the
new
next
line.
line.
Yeah, use the next line. Is Heer Patel is in my class right now? My dear, give me response fast. Is Kiana there? Kiana, someone mic is on. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, his mic is on.
Heer, please give me the answer. The fourth one. Here, please give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
How you will write it in the number names?
1 lakh.
Mm. 1 lakh. What will come after 1 lakh here? Here, what will come after 1 lakh, my dear? Lot of voices coming from your side. Lot of voices coming here. Sit a silent place. Someone else mic is also on.
No, ma'am.
Heath, lot of voice was coming from your side, please. And it disturbed the whole class. 1 lakh, what will come next?
2,000.
2,000. What is the spelling of 1,000?
THOUSAND.
Next. Next, what will come?
533.
Yes, what is the spelling of 5?
FIVE 5.
100.
HUNDRED 100.
30. Here
THIRTY.
first, here wait a minute. Here first of all, you please tell to the person who is sitting near to you to be quiet.
My concept.
Okay, I got your answer. I'm muting you now. Next time, please, I'll instruct everyone to sit in a silent room where there is no disturbance coming in the classes. To everyone, I'm instructing. It's 33. Is the answer correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please write it in your notebooks. Now, next answer, Janya
Ma'am,
will
can I
give me.
use?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Janya. Janya Patel, please, fast. Is the Janya is there in the class? You please tell me, is she there?
Ma'am, Jania.
Yes. Jania or Kiana, are they there in the class?
Ma'am, Jania is not there.
Kiana?
Kiana is also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kiana is there.
Yes, Kiana, tell me the answer. How you will write this?
9,89,763.
What is the spelling of 89,000?
9,000.
89,000 spelling.
E
EIGHT
G
80.
H T Y 80. NINE 9.
1,000.
THUSAND 1,000.
89,000. Then
700 SEVEN HUNDRED.
Then
63 SIXTY.
then
3 THREE.
thank you. Is she correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So please copy it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Now listen the
I'm
common
done.
instruction. Now listen the common instruction, everyone. If your this work is completed, good. If it is not completed, you will get the separate revision, maths revision folder. In that, you will get this with the answer key you will get. So please complete your work and attach your revision work every day in that folder. Whichever the work we do in the class, whatever we do, you please have to attach it in in your maths.
Maths folder.
Ma'am, in revision
Ma'am, my
folder.
last plan was there.
Mohammed, I will send it to you in the classroom.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kavisha.
Ma'am, can you tell the last number?
It was 9 lakh something. Wait a minute. I'm going to present it once more.
9,89,763.
163. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So along with these number, full question with the answer key, you will get in your maths revision folder. And every day, whenever your work is complete, you need to attach your revision work in that maths revision folder every day. Okay. Okay. It is compulsory.
Okay, ma'am.
Varina, now you will get in the classroom. Okay. You need to complete it within the given timing. If it is not complete, then you do it after this. Okay, now we start our new topic, which is our today's chapter. Open chapter number 2. Open chapter number 2, everyone. What is the name of the chapter?
Ma'am, long and short.
Long and short. So who will tell me what are we going to learn in this chapter?
Ma'am, the measurements.
The size of it.
Which measurement we are going to do?
Length of the
Which
Length.
measurement? Yes.
length
length.
of the thing.
Yes. We are going to do the measurement of length in this chapter. What are the units used to units are used to measure the length?
Ma'am, centimeter, meter, kilometer, millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, meter and kilometer.
Very good. Very good. So children, when you take something, if I say take this pencil or whatever is near to you and measure the length, then you take some object.
Centimeter.
Suppose,
Centimeter.
yeah, you will take the ruler or inch tape or whatever, you will measure with it. But in case right now we have what is the first stage of learning the about the length of the object, whether which is smaller or shorter or longer?
Millimeter.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me complete my sentence. Okay. If I have 2 pencils in my hand, you don't know the length of this pencil also, you don't know the length of this pencil also. But by identifying it, by looking at it, you can tell me which is longer and which is shorter. But you don't know how much length it is, but you can tell me that which pencil is longer and which is shorter, which object is longer and which object is shorter, right? Now in this, you can tell me, can you please tell me which pencil is longer and which is shorter?
Ma'am, the red one.
First I will ask which is longer.
Red one.
Birani, which is longer and which is shorter?
Ma'am,
Purple one.
Pink one.
pink.
So by looking at the objects, you can identify the objects which is shorter and which is longer. Here also I have something in my hand. What is in my hand?
Comb.
Comb. But you don't know the length of both the combs. Yes, but by looking at it, you can identify it which is longer and which is shorter.
Ma'am, the skin is
Ma'am, the light yellow is the longer and the dark yellow is the shorter.
If I tell you, give them the numbers according to the short to long. So which one will the first? Short to long.
Short to
From
long
shortest to-
first will be the
From short-
dark
Everyone is, if everyone will shout like this, will be very difficult for me to know which child is giving the answers. If you know the answers, write it in the chat box. Okay. So if I tell you to arrange them from shortest to longest, so which one will come the first one? From shortest to longest. You will write the color of the comb. Yellow will first or white will first. Like if you write white first, so write white, the number 1. Okay. If you write yellow first, write yellow, number 1. So please write it in the chat box. I am checking the chat box. No, don't write right or left. You need to write the color. Because if something is right to me, maybe left to you. I don't know. Yes, I think Yuk Surana is given the right. So which one will be the first one? Yes,
Dark yellow.
Yellow.
Priyag has given in a right way the answer. Yellow will be the first and white will be the second, because we are arranging them in the shortest to longest. Got it? What it is in my hand now? What it is in my hand?
Ma'am, tube.
Ma'am, index tube.
Yeah, there are
Tube.
these are 2 creams, you can say, or tubes. So now in this, give them the numbers. Which one will come first and which one? You can give this as a white tube and this as a yellow tube. White tube, yellow tube. From longest to shortest. Now arrange them from the longest to shortest. Which one will come first? Which one will come second? From, yes, longest to shortest if you are doing. So white one will come first and the yellow one will come second. Same way, if I have some crayons in my hand, I have 3 different color crayons. You can see purple or blue. Which color is this? Which
Purple.
color, which color is this?
Pink.
Pink.
Which color is this?
Brown.
Brown.
Brown. Now these are in this way. Now arrange them from shortest to longest. Which one will come first? Verbally tell me now. Which one will come first?
Ma'am,
Brown. Brown.
Which one will come second?
Purple.
And which one will come third?
Pink one.
Pink one. Right. Now I will show you one video. And after that, I will show you the worksheet which I am going to send you on the basis of today's thing. Today we have only learned what? Only to identify the objects on the basis of their length. Varina, number names was our revision. Next topic, what are we doing? What we have done till now? In the next object, we have only learned how to identify the objects on the basis of their length. Got it? So our today's objective was, what our today's topic was, we have learned how to identify the objects on the basis of length, or by observing only. You have not measured the length of the objects. You have just observed it and identified it. Got it? Yes or no? Now I am going to present you my screen. You will see the video.
In this video, you will learn how to order objects by their lengths, and also how to compare the lengths of 2 objects by using another object. So let's suppose we want to order these 3 objects from shortest to longest: a pair of scissors, a crayon, and a pen. First, let's arrange the objects so that they are all straight up and down, so that we can better compare how long each one is. Now we'll want to mark somewhere that will allow us to line the objects up along one side. So lining up the scissors, crayon, and pen along this line, we can see that the crayon is the shortest of the three objects. The scissors are the longest, and the pen is in between the length of the crayon and the length of the scissors. So the order of these objects will go crayon number 1, pen number 2, and scissors number 3. So now we know we want the crayon to be first, so let's switch the order of it and the scissors so that it is the first object. Now the pen should be second, so let's switch that with the scissors. Now we have our three objects arranged so that the shortest object, the crayon, is first. The pen is next because its length is between the length of the crayon and the length of the scissors. And finally, the scissors are last since they are the longest object. Now let's look at how to compare the lengths of two objects by using another object. How can we compare the lengths of these two flowers if we don't have a measuring device such as a ruler? We can use another object, our hand, for example. So we can see that the smaller flower is about the same length as the length of a hand, while the bigger flower is about 1, 2 hands put together. That tells us that the bigger flower is about the same length as 2 of the smaller flowers put together. In other words, we could say that the bigger flower is about twice as long as the smaller flower.
If the shoe fits. Albert grabbed his sister's arm.
In this video,
So you have learned how to find the and how to order the objects according to on the basis of their length. Always remember the starting point. Suppose I am holding these three crayons, but this baseline, all the three crayons should be on the same baseline, then only you will able to compare them. If you hold one like this, one like this, one like this, will you able to compare them?
No.
No. Whole, all the objects, the baseline should be same, are on the same baseline, then only you will able to compare them. Got it? I'm going to show you the worksheet which is on today's topic. That you can take the printout of the worksheet or you can do it in the Google Docs, because that based on the pictures which you will not able to draw, will be very difficult to draw. So either you take the printout or either you can turn it into the Google Docs or you can do it. This is your today's worksheet. Write 1, 2, 3 numbers to show the order from shortest to longest. There are two questions. Read them properly. In the first one, it is saying shortest to longest. So shortest object will have the number 1, and then middle one will be the 2, and the longest will have the third number. So in the first one, which one will have the first one? This. This will be the second and this will be the third. Got it?
Ma'am, excuse me, I go to washroom.
Yes, please go. In the second one, this small one will come the first, this will come second, and this longest will come
Third.
third. Same way you all do the all four. Go to the next.
See,
Yes.
I have 3 pencils, so I have to divide, show it like small to big. So I will just take the number 1. This will go at number 2, and this will go at number 3. So your short to long method will be completed. So it's very easy.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Same way, the question number 2, read the questions carefully. I'm telling you. Write 1 to 3 numbers to show the order from longest to shortest. Means the longest will come first and the shortest will be last. So, here the first watch will be the number 1, last one will be the 2, and
Second,
then
and the middle one will be the third.
third one. Got it? Same way you do all the fours given here. This is very easy. Just to observe the objects and order them according to their lengths by observing
Okay, ma'am.
only. Till now, till now you don't know how much length they are having, but by observing the objects, we can give them the orders. Right? Same example. If I have two books in my hand, two different books in my hand. So out of this, one is the shortest and one is the longest. Right? How I will know? First of all, I will make their base same and then I can compare. So this one, your class 4 maths book is shorter compared to this register. Got it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So understood today's topic, children? So two things we have done. We have done the revision of number names and we have done how to order the objects based on their lengths.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children, for today's
Bye,
class.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a good day.